We just published the video from the Process Mining Cafe about the explorative analysis step. The explorative analysis is the stage in your process mining project before the targeted analysis, where you're getting the data ready, looking at incomplete cases, getting the data to in the right partition to answer your questions in your analysis. And often the result of this is a baseline that you want to take as the basis for your following analysis. And how to create a good baseline is something that I thought would be useful for all of you. So I wanted to quickly show how to do that in Disco. Now we see here the purchasing process from the tutorial. If we zoom in and go to the end of the process, we see that pay invoice is this regular endpoint. We also have some previous endpoints where the process has not been completed, which we want to discard, right? So we focus only on this pay invoice endpoint here by adding an endpoint filter, and we say these are the completed cases. So we really want to look at the end-to-end process. For certain analysis, like measuring throughput time, it's necessary to remove those incomplete cases, right? So what you see here now in the lower left corner is that there's just 67% of the cases left. The others have been incomplete. And now if you want to use this as the baseline for your analysis, for example, performance analysis, then it's a problem if you just add your analysis on top of it. For example, here if we add a performance filter and say 21 longer than 21 days, let's say that's our SLA, we say performance analysis, then we see the result is 13% of the cases are outside of the SLA. But in fact, this is wrong. This is not true because it's not the correct baseline. It's 13% with respect to the full data set, but not 13% with respect to our baseline. So what we want to do is to go back to our completed cases baseline. And you can do this either while adding a filter here. There's this option, apply filters permanently. You can do it while filtering, or you can also use the copy option here and do the same thing. Use this option, apply filters permanently. And then let's call this baseline of completed cases. Now, the outcome is the same thing. So you see it's the same data set, but the 63% have disappeared here because we have reset this as the new 100%, right? And now if you add your performance filter on top of it, let's see what it's doing. Yeah, you have created the correct performance. The correct baseline is now under this analysis, and so you can see it's 20%. So the correct number is 20% and not 13%, and you have arrived at the correct result by creating the right baseline. So keep this in mind whenever you want to analyze percentages and do an analysis based on a subset of your data, and now you know how you can create this baseline in Disco.